Hey guys, Brian Thompson here with Lifetime Radon Solutions. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about radon systems and the electrical that's associated with it. Here in Wisconsin, there are no permits necessary for radon systems, but the state of Wisconsin code does talk a lot about outdoor appliances and the electrical that's needed. So for a radon system, if you're putting it outside and there isn't existing electrical within 6 feet of the fan, the state of Wisconsin electrical code does clearly enumerate that a licensed electrician must do the work. Many people might, correlate it to speeding or something that's a less obtrusive crime, but at the end of the day, it is illegal to do your own electrical work. And what we found is that there's a lot of contractors doing their own electrical work. Again, it may seem frivolous, it may not seem like a big deal, but we wanted to make this video to bring forth the importance of having a licensed electrician do that work. The main reason is it protects you as a homeowner. If something goes wrong when the radon contractor is working on your home and working on the electrical, if they carry insurance, their insurance will not cover it because they're working outside of their scope of work. When you have a licensed electrician doing the work, if something goes wrong, the electrician's company's insurance will cover it because they're insured for electrical contracting. But when you're a radon mitigator and you're doing electrical work, that's not a part of the process, so you're not going to be insured for that situation. So either you as the homeowner get stuck paying the bill or the contractor gets stuck paying the bill. And what we found is a lot of times it's very difficult to get a hold of that contractor after a situation happens. So that's why it is super important to have a licensed electrician do the work on your home. Now, if you're in a real estate transaction, it's even more important because you as a seller do not want anything coming back onto you as the homeowner or the person who sold that house to a new homeowner. What I mean by that is if you sell the home and the electrical wasn't done right and the new buyer tries to sell the home down the road and there's issues with it, that may come back to you, it may come back to the realtor, it may come back to other parties involved in the situation. So as a homeowner, when we use a licensed electrician to do your electrical work, although it may cost a little more money, it is the right way to do things and it protects you as a homeowner, protects you as a home seller. If you guys have any questions about radon systems and electrical and everything associated with that, do not hesitate to call. We're here for you guys. We want to help you with any of your radon mitigation or radon testing needs. You can reach us at 262-955-5701. Thank you.